Hey everyone, it's Lainey with Alaskan Seafood Guys. Today we're here with another episode of Simple Seafood, and we're making pan-seared black cod with white wine cherry tomatoes. So we got our piece of black cod right here. We're just gonna season this with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. All right, we got our black cod all seasoned, and we put a little bit of olive oil in a pan on medium-high heat. We're gonna put our black cod skin side down for about 5 to 7 minutes until the skin is crispy and a nice golden brown. Then we're gonna flip it to the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, our black cod is all done being cooked. We have it over on the side just resting. Now we're gonna make our white wine sauce with our cherry tomatoes. So we have 8 ounces of cherry tomatoes that we're gonna put in the same pan we used to cook the black cod. We're gonna let these saute for about 6 minutes until they get nice and soft, and we're gonna add a little more olive oil to them. Our cherry tomatoes are nice and soft now, so we're gonna add 1 clove of minced garlic and half of a small shallot thinly sliced. We're gonna saute this for about 2 minutes. All right, we let the garlic and shallot saute for about 2 minutes. Now we're gonna add our white wine and chicken broth. So it's gonna be a cup of cooking white wine and a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. We're gonna add it to our pan, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes or until our sauce has been cut in half. We've got our cherry tomatoes with our white wine sauce all done. We plated it with our black cod. Just put the cherry tomatoes on the side. You can also drizzle your sauce over the black cod if you'd like. Enjoy.